Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Charge 4 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the Android phone. First we need to open the Fitbit application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the app you should see the Today page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the account page. Here select the Charge 4 from the list of devices. And on this page tap on the Ben icon in the top right corner. Then tap on Unpair. The Charge 4 should disappear from the account page, as you can see. Now we can close the app, open the Bluetooth settings on our phone. And here we can check if the Charge 4 is still on the list of previously connected devices. As you can see on my phone it's not, but if it was on yours, you can tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on Forget and tap on Forget Device to completely disconnect it from your phone. Okay, and that's how you unpair this smartband from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.